Hello everyone, I Yasha Palankar welcome you all to an exciting journey where I'll be taking you to the journey of innovation and engineering excellence. Today, I would be introducing you all to our one and only fixed double column moving Crossrail machining center by Shubhline Automation Private Limited. Let me tell you some fun fact here. ProStar SHFW2872 comes with a remarkable of X-axis 7200 mm, Y-axis of 2800 plus 700 mm and Z-axis of 1600 mm. But there is something very, very impressive here, which is a W-axis of 1600 mm. So the total job height is of 2500 mm. Quite impressive, right? Let's get inside and check as well. But that's not all. This marvelous machine also features a fully automated 90-degree milling head and 5-degree indexing capability as well. Now let me tell you what fully automated milling head is. This 90-degree fully automated milling head is easy and simply to set up and operate, giving you perfect results with minimal effort. Now let me tell you about this versatile combination of 90-degree fully automated milling head and 5-degree indexing capabilities, which opens up to a world full of possibilities. You can use this machine and this feature for heavy-duty tasks such as aerospace components, railway bogies, defense, automotive parts, and many more that you haven't even imagined of. This feature, you will find it invaluable in attending the results, the perfect results that you have always dreamt of. To conclude this feature, the fully automatic 90-degree milling head and the impeccable 5-degree indexing capability is a game changer for ProStar fixed double column moving Crossrail machining center. It empowers you to take on heavy machining tasks with precision and efficiency, making this machine indispensable for the industry that demands nothing but the best. And what sets it apart is that it is the first ever fixed double column moving machining center with W-axis made in India. And we at Shubhline Automation Private Limited take immense pride for pioneering this innovation. And today we'll see how this marvel is revolutionizing manufacturing in Autox Private Limited. A year ago, Autox Private Limited, a leader in manufacturing metal-based engineering systems and components, embraced ProStar Machining Center in their production. Since then, it's been running successfully, consistently meeting the demanding requirements of Autox's diverse range. Autox serves various industries such as earth moving, construction, road compaction, gensets, compressors, pump sets, and many more. So all thanks to ProStar, Autox has received its precision, efficiency, and versatility in its manufacturing. In collaboration with Shubhline Automation Private Limited, Autox Private Limited is advancing India's manufacturing abilities to new heights. ProStar's fixed double column moving Crossrail's machining center is a symbol of excellence and innovation, making a history in the Indian manufacturing. For more information and the experience regarding the future of manufacturing, contact Shubhline Automation Private Limited. Shubhline Automation Private Limited, shaping the future of Indian manufacturing.